Since when you call this social media, from day one until reject you, say, you will not be my mother-in-law. You say, go for Yakada. I say, I don't know you before. I come from Ekmoma. I marry Ekmoma person. You be a bush. You be bush. Where they say they pursue people come out from land because of wish. You come from uncivilized bush. That was almost 10 years ago now. That time, light never even reached down in a village. Nobody upon now where politicians don't reach down a village. Now still bush. How can a bushy woman, person that we come from abroad, go to a bush and stay? How can you be telling me what to do? Do I marry to your family? I never accepted that until you come like a snake. We are service with useless gift. Did I not give you gift also? When are you going to tell people? Say you collect gift the entire pew. Say I should not be. Now collect people give finish. No fair and answer now until I can't disgrace you. I'm not the shit. I buy you gift. Me too will buy you gift. Me too will buy you gift. When will you tell them? If you buy me gift, did I ask you? I don't ask you. You buy me gift. No. Before you gift now win. I don't ask you. If you
agree to also, not be small matter. I'm not going to you may enjoy
for moto. Let me say you be my love at that time until you enter your head. You be my love at that time. Now I make you pay for Vela. Where they enjoy so. You get driving license. Come on.
I can't enjoy.
Anything whether they use better money do for.
I'll be small matter. It's about to go down.
You be cleaner. You know where my husband they work. You know where me they work. You know see say I be a dunga for social media. Which cleaning work? You want work? You want to say that you the constant the person for cleaner because I didn't make you want time. Why we na me we go yan wa pe why when we go work me ni ban yan why me go yan when you just carry naira go your wish family for Africa you be your guy to your
mama B they give so mama B
because my mother-in-law never feed me and
go better say no mama B oh we ma
you dey feed on all you talk
better my mama B
nah right my mother-in-law never feed me one day. You know they feed my husband. He never borrow money to my husband. May take do business. He no borrow money to my husband. He no build that. Make my husband carry me more go there. Now we build that.
Go better say no.
Now we say us when you there.
Say no. Mama B oh, we are my mama B.
Now your in-law be proper, original Obewe. It's just the one they talk to myself.
Who be ilo?
No ilo be Obewe.
Who be ilo? What am I comment section?
Who be ilo? They pay school fees for my husband children. No.
Who be ilo?
No.
Kuli to enjoy.
My years ago come, no worry. Waiting make your own picking never visit abroad since when you.
And I tell picanti.
What is the benefit of passport if you can't even give it to your own child?
Pepe.
What are you working for in this abroad? They work and they go home.
Well, I can't join me.
Like say not be passion people with they watch their nyash so. It ain't a fair. What fair them working on my area no? Come on, get down. And they work for passion. Any money where you not enjoy it now. You not go out come enjoy. How many other people you don't see when they carry big car they drive? Come on, go sit down for one place where they come wash that your or toilet and yash.
Brainwashing.
If you take care of me, no go wash your toilet and yash.
Brainwashing. You want to start with the brainwash there so.
Now your toilet and yash. Carry and go Nigeria, then they go wash them. Because you see, how they carry the river now. Oh, listen. Eh, my hand see I you won't listen with him. Who we no what there is who cover we are go. Oh, worry, who night him worry, no do me worry, this on the who might him worry. Et that dog a seva you bomb.
When I got join me. Share the video, my lovers. If you know you are my lover, share the video.
Nonsense,
May I God join me. Today.
Because we are told you say so. I mean, you told it all better. We need enjoyment. Everybody we live long. Go see your mama. Your mama still there alive. She be live long. Go see her. See the way they take Go see the way they take the mark we jouer. Bring the video. Come out there everywhere. He there away people. When you bring her come and be proud and say, you know me the lie on my mama. Oh yeah, nah. Complain.
So Mama B don't be wish now. So now wish now they support you since. Now wish you they embrace the party. Now wish they give you food for party. Now wish give you meat when you carry go ass. Eko better. Tame kuli no do rirai. We no do rirai. Ini ya gwene. We no do rirai. O me buwa wa pretend. Baba. Why not they pretend to better? They kuli make no chop. So now, Mama B na wish, Mama na wish. You the follow wish they pretend since they follow and they play. And you know say na wish. Because you know say people they follow you in the boys was war. You can manipulate them at any time. When are they listening to them?
The day where they tell you what happen, it's been out more, but you know on social media can't talk. If now other people who you just disgrace yourself. And after you have disgraced yourself on my hand, I saw God go use children to disgrace you they go. Because me and my husband from day one will not do you anything. And you they be for long. My brother, my wife. You both pikin where don't marry. You are going to be a very bad mother, you know, a useless woman.
Yeah.
You don't know how to stay in your place. You are so everywhere, and I'll be preached.
Mama B, now they talk to so Okbaika. Now she they talk to so. Wali still here though, evi sunu. When are they list you? Betutu ti kuli no do riera o avec be enyagi esio erie vitamin C enyagi bigo kuli enyagi esio wala o ati kuli no do riera come enjoy kuli. Why you live a fake life? When are they bless all these people they watch you now? If you are not big, when are they bless people? Don't be taken from them. Bless your fans. As Ekobete is trying to do birthday now, Kuli will surprise Ekobete with a better gift. Ekobete will be proud of that. This is what Daddy Cool is buying for me. Not what community guideline is buying for me. It's a shame. Monica cannot proud that this is what Daddy Cool buy for me as a husband for 20-30 years. Error. But you only proud of what community people buy for you. Community social media. This is what you always proud of. This is how you always proud. Community guideline people for social media. You got a big presenter until they collect money, say that they jealous you. Your birthday is coming. A kuli cannot buy you gift. Say, this is my gift I give my wife as a birthday. Error. Maybe after this video now, they'll come something kuli buy something. Then they bring what you now and they come and get many things to talk. Mona fell listening to this video and they come.
I don't like such people. I don't like people. I get mother-in-law. She's there at a place of mother-in-law. You know the day, quack. If you dare, quack. Who are your way for Bobo, eh? What's it be that? You don't know me before. I don't know you before. My husband don't know you. My mother-in-law don't know you. You don't lie where you never lie. You lie on my mother-in-law.
You don't know Baika. Eko bete, wama Baika. Eko bete, wama Baika. You don't know Baika. Hey, Baba, don't say to Eko bete, say don't know Baika. Where Mama B? Mama B, this is a lesson for so many elderly women. This is a lesson for so many elderly women. Where you see they move all those presenters. Where you not get dignity for those about space. There are so many presenters who not get dignities. That you ask after you guys money. Then they use it they make markets. They not care. They listening.
You don't know me before. I don't know you before. My husband don't know you. My mother-in-law don't know you. You don't lie where you never lie. You lie on my mother-in-law. You say, carry me go juju go this way. That woman have never done such thing because she's not useless like you. She's educated old woman. She dey educated when she.
If she don't do it, you will come and talk her for social media. If she have ever done it, you will come and talk her for social media. You fool people, abi. Better. You fool people. Who is better? You fool people. If your mother-in-law have done something like that, can you come out and go and tell the world where mother-in-law where can you see it? Wow, so you are deceiving people. When are they listening to that?
Lie on my mother-in-law. You say, carry me go juju go this way. That woman have never done such thing because she's not useless like you. She's educated old woman. She dey educated when she dey young girl. She went to school. She not be like you. That have never been to school, rather than use your toto to follow Oyibo way old. At the end of the day, end up in cleaner in UK. Never upgraded.
Oh, Mama B.
You can upgrade your standard of living. Every area where you go now, tweet.
Oh, Mama B.
Just because Miriam will draw you neighbors, you see like when you don't like for her. If I be person will lose, I'll start to saga and say, why will you say that? I know nobody should discuss with you. You are just area scatter. People go put party for ground and you they go lobby. Say you go because without party and drinking, you don't have life. I have life.
When I enjoy with me.
If I can enjoy myself, me and my husband we pass party. Not be you we go carry old man we no make at the age of 60 years. Now that time you can't take put on for susu. Now that time you can't tell them what to do and what not to do. Are you crazy? A bed the day we am woman no man make we will jere na way. Abi you say I be like your daughter. Will use you to take the feed man where they fuck am. They tell you say na my mama they sponsor me and my husband. You know they work. Oh yeah, may you can sponsor Range Rover for UK now. You even know what is the Range Rover. All car na car for your eye because you are a nobody. You know nothing. So
Honest you are. Where's you got the
for evil you have never been on social media and God disappoint you.
What do you
children will they curse you. Everywhere you go, you will never have respect for anybody. You go gather, you go scatter by yourself. Everywhere you go. Social media. We are worried social media and now why you know me to answer. What you carry you in? What you make? We now big me you make. We won't carry you in town. If me in town has the whole world would shake. You decrease.
Wait.
You
say if you enter us, the whole world will shake. If you enter us, the whole world will shake. We are happy for you to go inside. Get inside and get inside. I never come back again. No bell. I don't know where. What's it like? Get inside and never come back again. I want to sack you. Wanna see one now?
Hello, my people.
Wanna see wahala o? I don't know where get inside because of you have constituted so many advoc in a dope sabbath space. You don't sack. He suck many people with no sense because of the money where they get. Who is what? They not get inside. Is Azag allow it be? You should be get inside. I went where I thought you know what get inside before? I thought like I well wa. Akuwe here, akuwe bolo here. What a lot. Man, I love this. I know they see comment there. I want to be condition. I know they see comment. You say, don't please comedy news. I beg. I need money for operation. Really? You know they okay? Say no. Call us a video call. Call us a video call. We'll see you. I greet all of you where they comment. I greet you. I know they see you comment. But I be share. I know they see comment there. So I just see my check the other phone. Somebody say need money for operation. Call us. Send us video request so that we'll see your situation. Susubu. If you know you are real, you are not a fake account, send us video call so that we can see your situation. If really we can help you. Okay? Okay? Now they hear me. Hello, are you hearing me? You that is said you need what they call you need you want to do operation. Send us video call so that we can see your situation. So there's a way we can render help to you. So we can do it. Now they hear me so. So we are here. We are not here. I did here with them. Just continue to share and enjoy with me as me don't please continue to enjoy my life. And I expose all these evil people where they deceive people for those cyber space. I'll continue to expose them so that now they see what they sub for those cyber space. When I not forget to enjoy, when I enjoy, when I just enjoy, when I not forget that they watch me so sit down, take anything we want to enjoy, just enjoy your life. Get why? So let's continue from Kobete, Betutu. Betutu, Oyabimagwan.
I go check for my tribe. I say, that's what my tribe be.
Okay, Mona, enjoy with me.
Do this of Beleze, nothing they happen. Pikin not go hospital. You know your calamity one day. Hello. Hi.
They are not hearing you. They are not hearing you. Hello. They are not hearing you.
I wish that they worry with me. But I'm away. You know, they go and be on for at the end of the day, nothing to say this.
I'm also on that one.
You know they. So now yeah, this
shut down.
You for do this, you for do that. You know they. I better wait for talk.
I go back to Kapunu Wenner. Mona screenshot. Obviously, I didn't be more. Mona screenshot. On a des fiers de screenshot. Why screenshot est bon? Why screenshot est bon? Iye Kevi. Where's que je te bona? Mama Kevi. You know the screenshot this time? What do they call her? Oh, saye vere no. Where be bona? Where go watch it bona? This time, you know they see a screenshot. Mumu Constance. Yeah, Mumu Constance at here. No, the fake account. Mumu Constance. You know that this screenshot this one. Rasaloa. I mean, if you te. Go ahead. Where go screenshot or not? Yeah. The hot to. Oh, attends. La boîte de ça là. Non. Faut dire que là, il y a où assez. En mange what about the question? Ah, délicieux. Et move, non? Vraiment. Je pleure. Je pleure. My lovers, on sit that enjoy in Jesus' name. Who want me boy enjoy? For real. When I listen to a coup better.
You know the. I better wait for you. You know the. This video still the one coming post. You know the. I want to disgrace am. Where the thing? Where letter where I tell right you say we don't see food shop or come feed us. Where one place where I carry you doing important conversation I can't say, oh yeah, come listen you, I betray anybody for your presence. Come now. Come talk. You know they. I don't carry man for street when on their family. Now man where still they go back to your home. We visited Nigeria, we went to their homeland. In your homeland. We get strong mama whenever ready to die in Jesus' name. I come.
You visited his own land. Can you show his property in that land, please? Can you show us the property Kuli have in his own land? As a leader, you call yourself. Show example of a leader. Don't show some that fake life. Monica, more leave social media fake life. Show us example of what you found in your husband's land. Show us the property your husband have in his land. Show us some property. Show us some property your husband, your so-called husband, show us the property he has on his, so that people will now know that you can be a mentor to people. Merci, baby. Merci. Tiens, tu en as pépé. Enye we wa bege na. Enye pépé. Picanti. Picanti. Pepe. My love, oye san ori va gbe won a. Oye san ori va gbe won a. Wa gwi yewo. Me, oye san no. If I fat, na only san. If the priest come fat well. What do you say? Why any guy? If the priest come fat, that cause he say the priest come fat well. Na no na go. Thank God na no na go. Ni a beg. Why any guy? Ya tu ekwa. Mo yo ya tu ekwa. Ya tu ekwa. No worry wa. C'est bon. Let's go. Hey, now you know. My lovers, wanna join me. What the bane? Wow. You wanna join me? If I fat, or both on. Yata. If I add many kilo, above your son, oh.
There is no sign anywhere, no dream anywhere, no sign. I don't carry man for street, we don't get family. Now man, we still they go back to your home. We visited Nigeria, we went to their home.
No property.
No land.
In this land, no property.
We never ready to die in Jesus' name. I come. There is no sign anywhere, no dream anywhere, no sign of anything anywhere. Now Matt, you will continue to be put on as big as you are. Okwaba like you. And now you love your tribe pass.
Shout out to all good women out there. All responsible women. Like people like my wife. Shout out to all Isan people. All Edo people. All Bini people. If you know say be a best you they watch me, shout out to you. God will bless you. For now to give me wife with BC. What be say sometimes we not see, we see the quarrel sometimes, so obviously we not the quarrel, but she's a blessing. Now they hear me so. I be like they tell them, I don't feel understand. No home we quarrel not day. But all the women around the world where they watch me now, and God will bless you now. Those are we get good at too. And God will bless you now. On the quarter. Oh, always come and give me a kiss. Pass aside, don't make kiss me. They don't see you, come give me a kiss. Pass this side. Why you the shame? One of the listing.
And now you be the number one where they accuse your tribe wife for the past 5 years. You just say God will punish you one day. God will punish you. Because you purposely know you are a liar. Look at you. You saw me and my brothers for party. You say, no, let me talk with you. I see. What did you see? My brother didn't want to be. If people know and pass you, who knows you? You come from Italy, hide for one place, they do clean job up and down. If not be social media, we come make you say, oh yeah, go.
He say, his brother, where they UK, he said people know pass Mama B, they just buy car. The last time I checked, that brother, we never know the platform, we never know the singer for anywhere, we never know how they tell you, we people know. I pass one, my car come out. No, I say I pass one. Who I know I pass one. One know I pass one, ni moi pass one là dedans. Okay, c'est soit I pass one. Yeah, moi pass one là dedans. My car a pass one, comme moi say I pass one. I pass one. Waiji. I pass one Waiji. I pass one Waiji. When I say I pass one. Yeah, do I got pass one. This one I say popular pass Mama Bio. Viedo, ri mami sevo. Wana popular se Mama Bio. Wa viedo, wa geo. Wa gone bege. Let's we know the see if they waka. Our popular se Mama Bio. Unu aria dia via social media. Kevinoria, Kevin mama, unu aria dia ya social media o. Kedi ruwa ni ladian wowa yanwe ya ekigiwe wowa yan ladian yanwe social media kigi yan. E so ve ta yanwe leader yanwe ya leader we do saba space, ami ya we party, ami ya we rockba. Wowa yan na we leader o. Ivie do eri mamie o, eri marimio Governor bege apaswa awona popular se Mama Bio wowa yan ata wa. Ri marimie ino isunu ve do sabas place yegina hi e wata egiro agimi no temata no truth again nobody dey talk truth again for do sabas place if you dey talk truth self nobody want to believe the truth una dey listen na how can somebody wey no dey see wey dey never get platform nobody even know the platform nothing because of say saga you say popular pass Mama B where everybody know for everywhere. Mama B, see what the apple, see they say popular pass you. You see they say popular pass you. Well, a video now the Mama B not beg oh. Mota.
The people know pass you. Who knows you? You come from Italy, hide for one place, they do cleaning job up and down. What I see, what did you see? My brother didn't want to go. If people know and pass you, who knows you? You come from Italy, hide for one place, they do cleaning job up and down. People on social media, we come make you say, oh, yeah, go rent that small house. Because you know, say, we press you for finish you with a house where you did that time, room where you share. Before you screenshot it, they finish you.
Lolo. Obelolo, have a dear. Obelolo, have a there. The competitor.
The way from Nigeria to London. London people know my brother pass you. Or no say you na social media person.
Imagine.
The people where they rapport with my brother, they not go near you.
Really?
Now that kind of person where everybody know. Ask any for London.
This one we come visit you, we come to sleep beside chair. No ga you waga
Yeah, you don't see what they do.
Hello, baby. I beg bring that phone for me if you wash me.
No.
Baby, I beg bring that phone for me, I beg.
My mama na market woman. What do you think? You think say no go be our blow? How to turn 1 naira to 100 naira? Especially 2 of us. Now we do not care for my mama. 2 of us, boy and girl, so. In the ground, we go. Hello?
They are not hearing you.
Even with the condition, you know how many boys they work for now? You know how many contracts they get? Make I can't take I see for ground. What do you see for ground? You are always a liar. That thing, God must punish you. If now only your brother when you always they lie, your Isha person, wife when you always they accuse, the God of Ishala must make sure say he spoil you. See the way he spoil your mama. They pursue your mama come up for a whole year. What a shame and disgrace.
Merci.
Sylvester, do you know
Merci, my love.
He work follow politician for Nigeria before he come in. You just say I be like you, wait man, they make Chanadana, Osheprakra. Your sisters, where they don't know, illiterate, you could they say they be somebody. There be somebody that we know they sing for your body for Nigeria.
Mama, this I see you. God bless you, Mama. Place. Sophia Momodu, imagine me were there.
Now my cat gone.
Sophia Momodu, imagine they were there. I greet you, my special Sophia Momodo. I see you. Ogogo, Mrs. Ogogo. Ekelem. Mrs. Ogogo, Ekelem.
You reach Nigeria.
Very well, Wato.
Say now this one be the investment we not get for Nigeria.
Precious gold. I see you.
This 20 years.
God bless you. Precious gold. I see you there.
For UK, when you show that for you, I know what I don't use money. Pack for every bill.
I see you. God bless you.
Flats. You know, even reach 2 flats. Self-contained with one room for back. You use 20 years, stay build now. You know, finish. Every day you they go there, never stay finish. You still go there that day. Go look there. You never stay finish. Cleaner. You collect money. How much they go pay you? You want to sit us now say you they collect 6 figure. You don't go pay us rent for London.
Go better. You feel swear say you never do cleaner for UK. You feel swear say you never clean ground, never clean people in your ash. You feel swear. Go better. You feel swear say you never do cleaner for UK. You feel swear. You feel swear say you never clean ground, never clean people in your ash. You feel swear. No feel swear. You feel swear say you never clean people in your ash for UK. Go better. We're sure we're achievable. I'm out of so far, no, we're achievable. The fact that fake cleaners. It did.
Cleaner. You collect money. How much they go pay you? You want to sit us now say you they collect 6 figure. You don't go pay us rent for London. You carry one boozing man put for how you they teach at the age of 16 years. Now you they teach how to save money. You they talk to my husband. You they talk to correct man. We marry fresh toto. You want use and take compare 60 years old now when you say you need and you never buy land, you don't get nothing. You empty, you don't get space. The shaman when no feel address, when no feel speak for himself, when you dey shout for like boy. You will camp old man at your old age. The fuck old man. When be boy. When you take compare that the J-Bob, boy, it's international. Yeah, prick no the bone better picking.
So now this happy. Now that the hype of this man. Now I carry a man about the hyper. It's SARS everywhere, Roti. Now you the hyper. J-Bob, you cannot show any property this man have in this land. One single property, you cannot show us. When do me o. Tia no do me o. When do the way. I come better. Tia no do the way. When do the way come better. Tia where the police will do the way. You cannot show one investment. One single investment you cannot show. Now you are not insulting somebody that has supported you for a very long time. Now what's there, you know, so you know. And people are believing you. Juliet, oh. My lady Juliet, I see you here, oh. God bless you. Water, very well, let's go.
Now you're yet to tell the boy Peking where they go to feed the husband and the mama go to be proud. I am proud. I feed my Peking. I wish Peking say you feed your daughter. Make people feel they know. Say how old? Not they say Peking. Say I'm feeding my child. So that people will know. Don't say Peking. Peking are small children. Peking are children. Extra work won't finish your eye. Every day they say, I know pass you. Now you're wish, now they confuse you. Now your wish, now they deceive you. You know pass me. Are you for me? Seriously? Oh yeah, go wear nika. Carry your body come on. Wear us, maybe wear nika. Carry my body come on. Make I wear us. Make people check who they go fair buy for markets. It don't so. If not, like, do you know the meaning of gudu leg? It means age. When you dey young, you dey Italy, you don't get gudu leg. You slim. But all day give you gudu. There is nothing you can do about it. You can't use your nyash gudu to compare my nyash where they wear rubber put. If you wear rubber for your nyash, I know the la. Hello? Excuse me.
I'm not hearing you, Tassie.
Hello?
Sir.
Una say see my belly because I
not going to no, I'll say they are not hearing me. Talk and where? Don't use my hello for nothing. That my hello, man, they use that for nothing. Man, they talk and finish. I'm a pretender. Wait, they are not hearing me. As you all like hello, you say they are only hello. What about say? Hello, what did I say? Wait, they are not hearing me. If I get people walking. If I get you are Toto Moji. For real. They'll not know that my vibe they reach your side. Who pretend the echo? People will not know that my vibe they reach your side. Not be only hello. You can't be hello. Therefore, they are not hearing me.
There is nothing you can do about it. You can't use your nyash to compare my nyash where they wear rubber put. If you wear rubber for your nyash, you the la.
Sir.
Hello?
They are not hearing you.
Excuse me.
Shut up, you not be excuse me. Not be excuse me. They are not hearing me. Excuse me. They are not hearing me. No, I pretend. Who's Saloa? Now somebody they talk. If I say hello, they are not hearing me. Hey, hello, excuse me. What you with here? What you with here? Hello, excuse me. What is that I mean? You call person outside. Who at your mama here? We should be hello, excuse me. What matter? If you do, I will not tomorrow. I feel all copyright my name. All fear with here. A brand me what fear with here. I can sue you for it. If you change my brand, you're gonna say hello. Where are tired? Listen, let's see TikTok.
Nyash where they wear rubber put. If you wear rubber for your nyash,
you see they wear rubber for nyash. You can't tamuwa. They start over fire wana. They start at onana. You know say mama B cut up the way they put rubber for nyash. All the time ya. Oh, mama B ado tale ya. Ozege ka fanu mune. Hey, when I say hello. Excuse me.
Hello. Excuse me. Hello. Una say see them.
Woman has work me. You fake life way too much me. Hello, excuse me. You should be hello, excuse me. Hello, excuse me. She. You fake it me.
Because I born 3 rich children. I don't use my daughter, my sister, where die picking, say do picking. Many of you now people children be una children. That's why I don't think do DNA take bring children come abroad. Picking where they throw away, where family born he die. Now una carry for small picking they call una picking. Una never born before una.
Oh, enjoyment. Penny say me I stop to the eat for that video.
You born one, you born.
I go punish your papa.
Use my own.
Now wait, tell me that we read that comment.
I go. Evidence day.
You will read that comment. Of your gag bijoué ou bien of your gag bijoué avant.
Okay.
And only way to be comment to me maintenant. What you say? Of your gag bijoué. As long as you look at the gag bijoué. Où va vous dans? Où va vous dans? E comment tu as regardé la vidéo? Why time I want you? Non na enregistré là. Mais a ti ça pour venir. Wa gbe o. Ta go refaire caca.
I do this wish progress. Which progress?
Who fake account? Can your wife serve you like this?
Where your heart is.
Can your wife?
If your children are your treasure.
You no give her to beg you.
That woman.
We beg you. We no give her serve no give her. Oh, you wa omo bi wa wa ke. E no give. They will continue to jealous me.
4 children.
We beg you no give. We no give her serve. Oh, you wa.
Doing the
no get you know 4 oh for mu. Oh yes sir. Oh they make me one. God bless some people. God bless some people. Yes oh yeah. Yes oh yeah. What we say?
laugh me. The one where you tell the laugh me, God and God official one.
Esa, what we say?
Shame and disgrace
to
be your portion. Anywhere where you follow, children go they beat
you.
Now so children go beat you for this social media.
Get go better
yes, ma'am. Children. For children to curse you.
Betutu. Ogo ga gbijwe wo, ogo ga gbijwe wafa. E children ga gbo wafa. Eti meri na. Eti meri okwela ka kuli chest this. When the kuli chest bisi no any. Kuli emi ya segbe e bread de bo vivio yo avie ya me. Avie ya me ga limbo. Imagine no. Envia, remio. Ya na. Friend meeting na ganya party. Friend meeting na ganya party. E wa beg I want to chop. Onesa agbemoa. So there's some people were there here. Now not share this video. God bless us. I believe say watching me. Much like with me. Yes, I watch me. What darling. There's some people not they watch me. They pay me say, hey, some people not they watch me. When you watch me, Kwari na mi wa agai ina gba ma wa wese. Osa serian. Iyewo osa oserian. God pass them. When are they listen to a kubete? Unweye pi. Now, as I'm telling you now, he say no mama be. Great Okpaika of our time. Okpaika was supposed to be mother of a dosaba space. Yeah. Okpaika supposed to be mother of a dosaba space. But that market, he went to one be fooling herself with a kobete. Or the name of say, na my in-law wife. I be na my sister wife. I be my brother wife. Oh, hame. You don't know you will play with dangerous animal. You will play with dangerous animal. You will play with dangerous animal. But today, look at what is playing. Look at the way a competitor is using your saga to collect money from the gullible fans. Because if a competitor get this kind of saga, as far as a patient all day, he will not use emotional blackmail. Take they collect money for our fans' hand. Sometimes, a competitor will use the money back gift for herself. He will send her fans buy her. Just to attract some people. There is nothing a competitor cannot do. If he back gift, he go carry a go DHL or send her come the ass. And they tell them what a competitor fit do. Oh, Degbe one of UK. He ain't know it you. Oh, Degbe, he ain't know it you. You can buy a gift and send it to your address. Wait, I'm going to gift go. So that people will not see that we fast in Ojigi go. Who are you? Why we ah, God. Why we there is nothing you guys cannot do. You guys are terrible. Some of you guys are terrible. Some of you guys are terrible. Listen to what this Ekobete is saying. What are listening?
So children go beat you for this social media till you will go die.
Now you everybody they beat now.
Yes,
look.
sir.
If you look now, everybody they support Mama B. Everybody they support Mama B. Nobody they support you with daily life apart from fake account. Where Mama B they beat you they go. Mama B they beat you they go. Nobody is telling you the truth. I be ever run time matter. Nobody for presenter they join a competitor. They fight Mama B. If he did, Mona tell me how many people there with the fat mama be they join the co-betting. Mona tell me, many don't enter us. Truth had to be told, many don't enter us. So people that is fat now, they are fake account. They are ballet because they don't want their identity to show. Now making that they are hiding. All of them are hiding. All the fake blog are hiding. So all the blog wanna see say that they fat now. All of them they hide. No real human being again. Even those where they share, we don't know them. Nobody know them. So very soon you will see she's out of a dosaba space. And Mama like it. See Mama B. Everybody is supporting Mama B. And no get start with Mama B. See everybody start with Mama B. Are you not seeing it? Go see Mommy Canada woman. Didi Canada. All the presenter. Everybody start with Mama B. Are you not ashamed? Eko Bete or Degbe one of the UK? Nobody is telling you the truth. Who went before though? No can't win. Who went to win any saga again now? A disgrace with Alawa. Now so disgrace. Men not the prince. Me, I'm not joining you. I'm joining Mama B. Because I know that Mama B will learn from this mistake. I know Mama B, Lady Okpaika, will learn from this gullible mistake. He will never fall victim again. She will never fall victim on her life again. This your old don't show sense that you are a snake. Look at you. See the list of people where I bring come out. You don't see the list where I carry come out. The people who you don't offend. You want me to come make sure there for you? You don't tear my way. You don't tear list in my way. People you have offended. There are so much. You want me to call you the list? Fair play finish. I can't call you the list. Fair talk.
For children to
bro, small of them can't join me.
For children to beat you, you know go at them because you be old woman wait to say you don't care. So family you destroy children.
Well, I can't join me. I know they see comments.
But you not go feel destroy
Chief, oh la la, Baba Wato, you beg you when they double
where you go the shop.
You beg you when they. I Bella one of UK. I only see you soon. Wato, I Bella one of UK. Me love na can't join me. Wado de ba very ohwe. Ovie san ri ohwe gbe mu wa. Ovie san ri ohwe gbe mu wa. Wado de ba very ohwe. God bless all his people. God bless all his people.
I come from Ekmoma. I'm not an Ekmoma person. You be a bush. You be bush. Where they say they pursue people come from land because of which. You come from uncivilized bush.
Imagine.
That
Esa na Esa. No be a big bush. Esa is Esa. Which I call a bush. So part better pass so part. Kunwe. Esa is Esa. No, Esa is Esa Besa. Oria no Boria. Na bad Oria. Oria Boria. Oria Boria. Oria no Boria. Oh, no bad Oria ni. Oria Boria. Oria Boria. When no Boria. When bad Oria when he. Because of my wife. Now me going to be that the cool well. You can't walk better than you back better. Because I go better. Dano. Oh, baby, quick. Oh, baby, quick. Oh, baby, quick. I don't even know where you pretend. I don't even know where. But a kuli every day after me woman, a kuli or destroy page me, but when you got saga or destroy page me. A kuli destroy page me na. Oh no, and ye or pretend. I pretend. And ye no, and ye. Oh, Esa is Esa, my people. Not let anybody deceive you. Esa East, Esa South, Esa West, all Esa, Esa land, Esa oh yeah. Yes, everyone. Oh, Baba. Yes, everyone. If you don't say Esa, you there, you say Esa oh yeah. Yes, everyone. I beg you. Yeah, kulele ko bete no man egbe here. I bet what Niketi was imami no ti oyi. Esa oye. Okpale tawe oye. Imami ya. I know you say oye. Esa oye. Yeah, riwa. Wagwi, let's go on. Yeah, Rob.
And still bush. How can a bushy woman, person that will come from abroad, go to a bush and stay? How can you be telling me what to do? Do I marry to your family? I never accepted that until you come like a snake. It's a weird service with useless gift. Did I not give you gift also? When are you going to tell people? Say you collect gift the entire pew.
Mama big gift. Now I service now. You don't talk to that service. The one we they collect now, na pepper the whole. But they will call it will come. You come be that service. We they collect gift now. People they buy washing machine. People they buy many things now. Allegedly, we talk. They not be na pepper they do now. Don't be that service. So, you tell Mama busy bring you come. Na pepper they use not do. Today don't talk to that service. Tomorrow always they buy for you now. They will say talk to that service. Sing a lot. At the shame.
It's a weird service with useless gift. Did I not give you gift also? When are you going to tell people? Say you collect gift the entire pew. Say as soon as be. Now collect.
4, 4, 7, 4, 3, 8, 7, 1.
Hello. 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 Yeah, I hear you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I see your German.
And God will bless you. Wait for the call. Okay.
Chef, now you this is now like you just did not been our former one.
I did life now. My promoter was speaking. I did life.
You people are not the same. They not they respond. You know they read comments.
Really? I know they say Saoyi now. You know inside the chat is you be a son.
They read the comment. You know they see comment.
You be a son.
If they write comment there now.
You be a son.
I don't think people will answer. Me don't answer.
You not a son. You be a son. If I say Saoyi, you say Saoyi. Don't say Saoyi. I beg you say I pray for my people. You say I pray for my people. I beg.
My sister.
My wife now is a woman. You say I pray for her.
I know now. Over your body, yeah.
Oh, free.
Any more? Egbedawa.
Ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀ gbé wọn à.
Ẹ̀yẹ́ rẹ̀ gbé wà ẹ̀ wọ̀rí. Èdè mà yá rí ẹ̀rà ẹ̀.
Èdè wà jẹ̀wò tẹ́ sàn àmàdé wà.
Èdè náà, so family take better $100.
Una too good o, na all the tire o. And anytime na husband see una, Igbola go dey stand. Why I be like that?
Yeah, very cool.
Because
Not let my sister jealous.
Because Esa woman, if you marry above for her before you bought her for you no go know. Why I be like that?
Na so God creator. Na so God creator.
Not be like o.
No, the fact is that nowhere where bad and good thing no dey. You understand?
Yeah.
So now make this Oga Kulukulu yo.
Yeah.
I know I did surprise. Whether I'm going to partly Hausa you be, I don't know. So I believe I thought I be Hausa.
Wait, I don't hear where. Wait, I don't hear where. You say wait. Nah, yeah, where I don't. Yeah, talk up. Partly.
I say, Daddy Kuli 3 barbed wire.
Yeah.
I say I don't know why you Isha we can't be different.
Okay.
Because because in a part of Hausa, I don't know. Me, I believe say the mom like the Isha, the father na Hausa, and na Hausa character na you get. You don't get Isha character. So otherwise, this echo better. If I don't change it for in hand, since because na really Isha now. You understand?
This woman will kill me. Madam, you say, wait, madam, you say you don't know whether na Hausa side. If father na Hausa man.
If papa na Hausa na.
Really?
My mama be Isha. That is why I don't get that Isha character.
But am I carrying
blood?
Am I carrying water?
Not say for this level, God already create and say, na papa side, 9 person they choose.
Yeah.
Even if your mama marry, if your mama come from another tribe and your papa come from another tribe, if people ask you say where you come from, if na papa side, 9 most of us they already.
Because you know why, madam, you know why they believe what you they talk so, eh? You know why they believe you? See, so they social media, whenever I would really talk about your papa, where papa for come. Now let mama.
Now Hausa, that way mama go do a show for Hausa land. You understand? Now you meet the papa.
I didn't hear you, madam.
Papa. So now the mama gave papa belly. This three boy belly. If okay, I come Isha, you don't grow well before you come Isha. That's why I don't speak Isha.
Because if you look this social media, madam, if you look this social media, people know they talk go in papa side, say Ambrose. Which side Ambrose papa for call? Because now mama people they talk because they can't carry out everybody concentrate on mama. We not go in papa side. They don't want to investigate the papa side. Madam will investigate her.
No, that year where people they go Takausa go they do all those kind of things.
Yeah.
All those runs.
Yeah. Go do it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So now that time mama play go that side.
Okay.
We can't get
But you if you know those are Hausa state, which of the Hausa state you feel mention anyone?
Confidentiality.
Confidentiality.
Confidential. So
Confidential. I don't understand. Wait, don't tell the talk is that the state, Hausa land, then they see Kanu, then they see Sokoto, then they see
no, Jos side, Jos.
Jos.
Jos side.
Okay. Jos.
No, that Jos side. All those plateau. Not be still Hausa like that, but that area.
My people, I'm gonna share this area. The important area be this one. Better strong information. We are going to church. Papa Bruce must be located. Era Bruce must be located.
Mama no fit find idea because when the Ambrose come grow small for outside land, now they cannot sabi speak Isha self. He cannot speak Isha. So he himself, so I'm not able to say he didn't know papa self. Now the story when mama come to tell him when don't they grow. So no, if mama come carry the belly come out. You understand? Don't come to another place again for outside land yet. You understand? So Ambrose, Ambrose, no be say don't come. If Ambrose now complete shall complete Bini, this rubbish sure this one they do, you know do one now. So because those DNA matter, those you know say the man on the fit talk.
No fit talk.
Don't matter where don't mark pataki. If I don't throw Monica from window since now. You understand? Ambrose no be Isha. I'm not the color Isha. You know be Isha.
So papa for Jos.
Yeah, now that place. So no, carry and go that side. You know how they say na Isha, but they disgrace Isha people.
Near Plateau.
Plateau side. So no, they call na Isha.
Near Plateau side.
Now what I just say me, I let you know.
My sister, you can't God. My sister. My sister, the kind God will go bless you, eh? The one will go bless you, that way they carry fire the waka. The fire where they carry waka, because they burn your enemy. You know, my sister, you know that kind of God, eh? Where they carry fire the waka. That one where they carry fire. You'll say God of fire. When they say God of fire. God of fire. He will damage your enemy.
So I know they call all these people, they can't display themselves for social media. I know they count them to be shy.
Madam, say after me. Say after me, say God of fire.
God of fire.
I know the year where. Call like they say God of fire.
God of fire and thunder.
I bet damage better for me.
Damage every bad people. wait, social media for
you the fear to you know what make God of fire damage better? You the fear her.
So you know me how much more
Madam, say after me. Madam. Say after me, say the God of fire.
The God of fire.
Damage better. Betutu. The God of fire. Madam, say after me. God of fire.
The God of fire.
Damage all the evil people where they support her.
Damage all the evil people where they support her.
The God of fire. Madam, say after me. The God of fire.
The God of fire consume every GPC, Ekia Magualo, Ekia Loko Magualo.
The God of fire. Oh, when I'm like social media. Don't worry, I'll carry a cup, Mama. God bless you. You too much. We'll see. We'll see. Thank you. Oh yeah. So when you tell my wife your son? Person they greet you now. You don't feel greet her. Come say hi. Come greet this greet her now. He dey here. We want greet you. Talk come and they hear you now. He's here in a minute. They talk.
Hello, good afternoon.
Speak in Safora now.
Ofuro, do you want to listen? Okay, you are making.
Okay,
you are making. You know, can call. Okay. What will you make? Okay, take care. Every is school. Okay, why you advise all you sometimes, eh? Oh yeah, oh.
May they advise me? Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Oria no Boria na bad Oria. Oria Boria wa wa. Oria Boria.
It didn't control fatty so no don't go. Ira mama le banale.
Yeah, here.
Wakimwe.
Yeah, here. Mama gere kinaji.
Bye bye.
Wagije ona. Esa oye. Wagije. La don't send me o. I know you finish o. What you say me do me now?
I said myself we give you food when you don't go fat too much.
Don't shake it. I thank you, Mama. God bless you. Okay, now thank you. Hey. So now you wait this my caller. You can't talk just now. Caller, now God will bless you. My people, una know you this caller talk. Una know you wait this caller talk. He said, "Don't pray so. Listen to me." He said, why we know they talk about Abru's father, Kuli father. We make work. Oh, why we dey always face nene, mama. Why we know they talk about papa we come for just? Oh, we just a record. Oh, let's investigate social media. And those cyberspace investigation going to start right now. By the power invested in me, I as a do power, as a do social media spiritual, I hereby sanitize a do cyberspace. From now on, let's start the investigation of Papa and Bruce, who lives in Jos. So, the rest of my people, I beg, we'll start to confirm the matter. So say na Kanu, so say the many place, so outside land that they talk. So this woman say na Jos. So right now, as I'm telling you guys, please, we have to investigate. We are going to launch an investigation. Papa and Bruce need to be investigated. Because if some man, no of you useless like this. The whole social media, we all the beat only one man say you're useless. Everyone is was over. Papa and Bruce, it's time to investigate you. All my lovers around the world, anywhere you are watching this program, please, it's time to investigate Papa and Bruce. Papa and Bruce Ajala. And Bruce is the father of 2 children in UK. And Bruce is the man who said he married to Monica Kobetutu from UK. Right now, we are about to investigate his husband's father. We don't know where he came from. We are trying in this Edo-Sapa space to know where and which their father came from. If really they are for Edo State people, we have to know in Edo-Sapa space. Hello? They are not hearing me. I want a sapo. Oh, yeah, my girl, I love it. When the Rana didn't say. When the Rana didn't say. Oh, my girl, I love it. When the Rana didn't say. Imagine the incapability. Imagine the incapability. Is right now to investigate where Ambrose will come. Ambrose never say anything. Not be laughing matter. Hey, Wagi. This will be laughing matter. Not be laughing matter. We need to investigate where Ambrose Papa not be a person. Not be a person. We need to investigate where Papa for come. Now only nene we dey see. Ambrose never celebrate his father. He never do his father remembrance. We never see father of anything. It's only in mama birthday they celebrate. Where is your father, Ambrose? Ambrose Ajala. Where is your father? Ajala. Any outside here, Ajala is not his name. Ajala. Ajala. That one outside name. Ajala is outside name. Close to Yoruba. Ajala. Ajala. I don't fear you later. I don't fear you. Ajala is close to Yoruba and outside name. That is not his name. I beg you, if you be a son, who did they call Ajala? Ajala, they son name. If you son, oh yeah, wagume gwa. Ajala, they son name. I have good people from Issa. Lovely people. Blessed people from Issa land. Please, I'm asking. I'm begging. That name, Ajala. Issa de be Ajala. Another topic in my land. Kuli kuli vonia. Kuli kuli wiaje nia. E mata wakia lana nia. E matera nia. E matera akia lania. We want us to launch an investigation of your father. Where did your father came from? Why think be rock by kweku? Why be me kweku ne? Why bogera kweku? Your father, Ajala, cannot be a Benin man. He may make a narrative here to Ajala. I have never seen in Benin where they call a Benin man Ajala. I have never seen or found where they call an Esa woman or Esa man Ajala. Ajala is Hausa. Alaji Mustafa. Alaji Jalaja. Alaji Jalibi. Alazi jejeje, jalaja, jijija, jojojo, all those in Hausa. Lahala, lahulu, lazua, all in Hausa. So Ajala, we don't know where million. Please, I know they see comment. I be they don't have a comment section. You have a comment section here. I know they see. They don't have a comment section. I don't see them. Mommy. Please, I want to see. No, don't have a comment section. Oh God. Ibere. My people, they don't write Ajala. I know they see. Ibere. I know they see. Ibere. I know they see. Oh, they know they hear me. They know they hear me. I'll be waiting this up. Please. Is there, as an innocent person watching me, what's the meaning of Ajala in this land? I want to know the meaning. Or we should put it on that next topic. I'm going to head topic away. Since you guys are not telling me, as you can see, you guys are not telling me. Since you guys are not telling me what I have to do, I have to go and come back again so that you guys are not telling me. Mommy, you guys are not telling me if Ajala is her name. Well, now they tell me. So what I have to do. Well, no one tell me if Ajala is her name. So now they look me. Maybe people just come and call the deceivers. Because me, I cannot be in social media. So people will be deceiving us. Egba! That is why me don't please. I be me quick. Yeah, invest the waste of that. You know the quick offend people. I may be the last person to offend person. I dey get patient. Me with the chop for 3 years, I get patient. I get patient for 3 years. I may get patient too. That is why if I dey fight anybody, God dey help me. God dey help me if I dey fight anybody. Now the future they talk, God dey help me if I dey fight anybody. So please, if you know say you be a person, na question I ask, I beg. I not keep person. Na question I ask. Na question I ask, I not keep person. I believe say as me, I get as in I don't feel ask question. Ajala, what does Ajala mean in this salam? Let me look at comment section. Say you know they read comment. Okay, let me read your comment. Paris. No be a name. Na Cameroon. Paris is that. Well, that Paris. We are kere. Avec tell just. We want to marry Cameroon. I want me to tell you that that's Cameroon now. Voilà, we go by money mena. Imagine one woman call us now. He carry me go Jos. And I try to confirm that area. You dey carry me go Cameroon. You want to spoil my brain? Hey, Baba. Paris. Oh, we are money the Maria. Paris. You want to spoil my brain? Then they really mean we nana. At least we are addressing one. You not liking it. We are trying to trace from Jos. Wherever we like Cameroon. Hey, Baba. That why you please now. Let's the woman that called just now that said Ajala is from Hausa. That woman 97% truth did that woman math. Oh yeah, did that woman head. 97% truth dey that woman head. He say Ajala, why we no dey talk about him papa? Why be say na only him mama and nene wata? Why tell me that? I don't know say na outside papa be. And this full-blooded Sama cannot be useless like that. What marry my water? Look at what people are commenting. Say that Cameroon say, don't Prince. You know they read comment. That make people know they comment too. Why? Are they read comment? Are they read comment?
4, 9,
Are they read comment?
7,
I want a pick up. So I want to pick up.
4,
So
1, 2.
are they pick up? Hello. Hello.
Hello?
God bless you.
God bless you.
It's way. Why can't call it? Wait for the call.
If I listen here, you don't make a move.
I just tired.
You finish from salad.
You can't be go get Meru, oh my sister. What? Let me go now. Okay. Eto I no dia mererewa. I think I no dia mererewa. Okay, it's not done. I can for a just to locate person is just on my easy. I'm away Cameroon. Ebe wa mo re. Owe ke Cameroon agwalori. Imagine. Eh?
Monica, you have Monica Gua.
Okay.
Not for hatred, okay?
Gwegwa.
Monica, yes.
Lolo, I just think I don't know again for more than many years. But this so they say they commit all the time. I want to see Lolo for these things. Why can't you repent?
Okay.
I don't want to insult you, okay?
I remain of Belolo video.
Just change. Change. I can see your ex-girlfriend. That one, when they sell for all these things, and they call her money, Lolo, do this, Lolo. Because why? I don't photo of now. I'm not like your phone, but I don't see that they come out to say, Lolo, you do this one, Lolo, you don't do that one. How can a woman or a water always 11 ranks, or a baker is 11 times? I want to okay. 11 times, you are going to kill 11 times.
My sister. My sister,
That is why I have to Ambrose, because Ambrose is not for Nigeria, really. That Cameroon, Paris, Watani, and not know.
Abi?
It's not for Nigeria.
Cameroon.
When it's
Cameroon, what's up?
When it's
Cameroon, where it's at?
Hello, Dobris.
Iwe Cameroon, where it's at?
Yeah. That's Monica. I don't want to insult anybody, you understand?
Yeah.
It's not for Nigeria. That is the truth.
From where?
It's for Cameroon. Paris water is for Cameroon. Or from Senegal.
For Cameroon.
From Senegal.
Senegal. Hey, salut, boy. Call la dota man, mais vous Senegal.
Because.
Senegal.
But because for Nigeria, we forbid so many things. How can we water? It will come out to say, and I said they use they did to tell the support.
Hey, be one woman with those masks.
Joke and part, don't is not a joke. Joke and part is not funny.
Be one woman. Yeah, feel funny. Me no ma funny. Me no say not funny. I say me not kick against this every time.
It's very bad.
Now make me the kick against every time.
When you do the video for last week and the last 2 weeks, I don't feel calling because I was busy, you understand?
Yeah.
I did shock. I called me down, I called pray to God, say, God, I get my picking. So I don't make my son know this kind of woman. This kind of bad character. You understand? And no, to God, but it's not funny. I need a sister, I will go. If you won't be not make my picking know this kind of dirty character. I can go on the water. With 11 rounds. You don't do okay. We
am okay after level runs.
So, coup. Daddy coup is not from Nigeria, it's from Senegal. Okay? Okay, choose.
Baby, you know, kuli. Ya gbe won ame mana. Me Hausa me trust you weri. Me ya mu wela diaba. Your papa. They need to send me your papa picture. It's supposed many people see your father. May they confirm you. We state your father. Your father is not for Muromi. It's not for Urekme. It's not for Ubiaja. It's not for Ewohini. Mama B. We met it at Makelere. Mama B. We met it at Makelere Brusukere. Assessor. Esa will be say don't see too big like that. You know if you tell us where Papa Bruce or call Mama B, I beg. We want to know where Bruce Papa for call. Mama B, we want to know where Bruce Papa for call. If we don't Mama no way, over the back bear. Is it too big for us to ask Mama B where Kuli Papa for call? I'll be smart you. Okay. So now I want to do this matter. See matter oh.
Hello. They where they tell you what happen. It be not blue, but you know on social media can't talk.
My people, other people. What I call they tell me oh.
You just disgrace yourself. And after you have disgraced yourself from my hand, and so God go use children, they disgrace you, they go. Because me and my husband from day one, we not do you anything. Now you they beg for love. My brother, my wife. You born pikin we don't marry. You are going to be a very bad mother-in-law, a useless one.
Really?
You don't know how to stay in your place.
Really?
You are so everywhere, and I'll be
preaching. Deceiving your
I
first.
don't like such people.
Now, Matthew, because of the quarrel.
I get mother-in-law. She there a place of mother-in-law.
Shut up. Now, because of the quarrel. The rest people, they first say you like them. Not be so you see the first say you like them. Now, don't see quarrel. You cause it to say you don't like them. You cause it to say you don't like them. When you they play with Okpaika, you not tell us you don't like her. Now you can say you don't like them. You don't like them. You are deceiving them. What bell? You wise in it. You don't please wise in it. You may you wise or you swore. Me wise in it. I don't wise. What salwa. I don't wise.
You know the day.
I don't wise.
If you dare, who are your wife for Bobo, man? What's it be that? You don't know me before. I don't know you before. My husband don't know you.
Eh?
My mother-in-law don't know you. No lie where you never lie. You lie on my mother-in-law. You say carry me go juju go they swear. That woman have never done such thing because she's not useless like you. She's educated old woman. She dey educated when she dey young girl.
Really?
She went to school.
Really?
She not be like you. That have never been to school, rather than use your toto to follow Oibo way old. At the end of the day, end up in cleaner in UK. Never upgraded.
Really?
You can't upgrade your standard of living. Every area where you go now, tweet with.
Hey, Mama B.
Just because Miriam will draw you near, but you see lie when you don't lie for her. If I be person will lose, I'll start to saga and say, why will you say that? I know, not be she discuss with you. You are just area scatter. People go put party for ground and you they go lobby. Say you go because without party and drinking, you don't have life. I have life. I don't need to go to party before I can enjoy myself. We pass party. You go carry old man when no make at the age of 60 years. Now that time you can't take put on for susu. Now that time you can't tell him what to do and what not to do. Are you crazy? We may jere na way. You say I be like your daughter. Will use you to take the feed man where they fuck him. They tell you say na my mama they sponsor me and my husband.
I come back to
you know no dey work. Oh yeah, make you come sponsor Range Rover for UK now. You even know wetin be Range Rover. All car na car for your eye because you are a nobody. You know nothing. If so, the reward where God will give you for evil you have ever done on my life on social media and God disappoint you. Now social children go, they curse you everywhere you go. You will never have respect for anybody. You go gather, you go scatter by yourself everywhere you go. Social media. We are social media. Why you don't need to enter. Wait till one carry you enter. Wait till you make. We now big name you make. We won't carry you enter. If me enter house, the whole world will shake. You decrease. Every time you no so